What's going on, guys? Right now we're headed to Harbor Freight. We're working on the N60 again. I know, third video. It is what it is, man. Trying to get these videos out Wednesday and Friday. But yeah, we're going to Harbor Freight, get some more flat discs so I can continue getting all that flush. I still haven't ordered the truss kits. Money's tight right now. I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight real quick and get my shit. Alright, got what I needed. One more flap disc. Just go ahead and start grinding the rest of the mount off. Alright, everything's all ground down, pretty damn smooth. I gotta work on this once I cut the tube further back. There's everything I cut off. I still gotta do these hubs, the hub seals. Still gotta do the pinion seal on the 14 bolt. We might do that tomorrow, and then we'll start working on the 12 valve for Friday's video. Probably just put some spray paint on them for now. I'll be back tomorrow. Alright, I'm back. After work, not gonna lie, I fell asleep on the fucking couch over there, but whatever. Shop's a mess. Let's go ahead and clean this up. That was a bad snap. That was a bad snap too. That was a bad snap. Blew everything off. Got the axles blown off. All the parts picked up, put up where they need to be. So I really need somebody to tell me if that track bar's bent. Not track bar, drag link. Tell me if that drag link's bent, please. But yeah, we're still gonna have to cut back this axle a little bit, like I've said a couple times, but we're gonna wait on that. Right now, we're gonna go ahead and buff off our hubs for the rear axle, clean out all the metal I just shot inside of, and yeah, get those all cleaned up, ready to go. All right, my camera should be good now. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna clean the hubs out, get the new seals put in those, which are these two right here. We can't put these together all the way yet because I gotta get these sandblasted still. So yeah, I think we're just gonna continue with the hubs. That's about all I can do. I can't mount them up or anything. Yeah, that's it. That's all I can do. So let's get to these hubs. I'm gonna move on to the counter and we'll start the time lapse. Alright, as you guys saw in the time lapse, we got our axle tubes unwaxed. They're all clean, ready for, well, I still got a buff right here for the seal, but they're pretty much ready for hub install. Got the hubs over here. I'm doing an experiment with these, so I'm painting with Rust-Oleum spray paint. Only because I can't get to any of this once the hubs are together and in the e-brake. It's not going to be accessible. So one of them I buffed off, and the other one I left. So we're going to see which one, you know, sticks better, pretty much. I mean, I'm assuming the one that I buffed is going to stick better, but we will find out. But yeah, that's drying, so we're gonna let that be. We got our turbo cleaned up. I totally didn't blow all these around the shop. I found them, but we're good. That was almost really bad. Oh man, I got the turbo cleaned up. I got the turbo housing cleaned up. I got the center section all clean. It's got no more grime on it. I had to let it soak in diesel and then pressure washed it off with cold pressure washer. So it wasn't too hard. Got my bearings greased for the hubs. That's pretty much it. As for the 6.7 front axle, still gotta trim it. Y'all know about that. I gotta get these sandblasted. I got the e-brake pivots. Where'd they go? Yeah, I got the e-brake pivots all free. They turn now. So yeah, I need to sandblast those. I'm gonna throw some spray paint on those, and then we'll go ahead and buff those axle tube ends, and we should be able to start assembly. But that's not until I can get that spray painted or that sandblasted. So in the next video, I believe we're gonna be throwing our injection lines on the 12 valve and pulling our oil pan. Possibly. I don't know. I really don't know. I really don't know. I'm kind of broke right now. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of broke. I really gotta order those truss kits. I really gotta order those truss kits. And I don't really want to put any money in the 12 valve right now. I want to work on getting these axles in. So next video you'll probably see me buffing those axle tubes, and then I might end up just like buffing these. I don't know. I really want to sandblast them though, but I don't know if we're doing any sandblasting, so not for a while. But I'll definitely be putting the seals in the hubs and putting the bearings in them. I just don't know if I'll be mounting them because this has to go first. So we'll find out. We'll find out. But I got everything to be able to mount it. Wow, we're getting close. We're getting close. 1 ton TJ, bitches. 1 ton TJ. All right. Well, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Appreciate you guys for hanging around, watching. I know it's a lot of time lapses. I know it's a lot of boring shit, but at least jam out to the music, bro. Just hang out. Just hang out and watch that shit work. Hop on your phone, bro. Just hit the like, maybe subscribe, but whatever. So appreciate you guys for hanging out. I'll catch y'all Friday. Later.